Are you also not getting any sound on YouTube? I'll show you how to fix YouTube sound not working on Android in 2026. Hello guys, in this video I'll show you fast and easy methods. Let's get started. Step 1. Turn up the media volume. Open the settings app on your phone. Then tap sound and vibration or sounds. Tap volume. Increase the media volume slider. Now open YouTube and play any video to check if the sound is working. Step 2. Force stop the YouTube app. Open the settings app on your phone. After that, tap Apps or App Management. Select YouTube from the list. Tap Force Stop. If a confirmation message appears, tap OK. Now reopen YouTube and play any video to check if the sound is working. Step 3. Clear the YouTube app cache. Open the Settings app on your phone. Go to Apps and select YouTube. Then tap Storage. Tap Clear Cache. Now open YouTube and play any video to check if the sound is working properly. Step 4. Update the YouTube app. Open the Google Play Store on your phone. Search for YouTube. If you see an update button, tap it. Wait for the update to finish. Now open YouTube and play any video to check if the sound is working properly. Still having the same problem? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.